Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a fantastic way to take your TikTok experience to the big screen. That's right. We're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of installing TikTok on your Samsung Smart TV. So, whether you're a dancer, a comedian, or just love scrolling through TikTok, stick around to learn how to do it on the big screen. First things first, let's make sure your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with the TikTok app. While many modern Smart TVs support it, it's always best to double-check. Grab your Samsung TV remote and turn on the TV. Navigate to the App Store or the Content Hub on your TV. Search for TikTok in the search bar and see if it pops up. Assuming your TV is compatible, let's get TikTok installed on your Samsung Smart TV. Open the App Store on your TV. Search for TikTok using the on-screen keyboard. Select the official TikTok app from the search results and click Download. Once the app is downloaded, it's time to set up your TikTok on TV experience. Launch the TikTok app from your TV's app drawer. If you already have a TikTok account, log in using your existing credentials. If you're new to TikTok, follow the on-screen prompts to create an account. There you have it, folks. You're all set to enjoy endless entertainment with TikTok right on your Samsung Smart TV. Whether you're a creator looking to showcase your talent or simply want to laugh at hilarious videos, this new way of experiencing TikTok is sure to bring a smile to your face. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more exciting tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep creating and keep having fun on TikTok.